Hello, Celeste. My name is Charles Marine. Thank you for getting in touch with me through Facebook. I am with your local SEO professionals. We're a small company that helps businesses save money and attract more clients by building their online presence. As we know, these days, about 90% of people look for local services using Google, and 70% of them click on the first page of Google. So it's pretty important to be up there in rankings because otherwise you're missing out on a lot of market share. So what I want to share with you today is 3 tips to help your website. Unfortunately, I don't know how much you're able to edit your website, because what I noticed is that you're underneath this bigger bellamy.com domain. So I'm guessing that these are the I'm guessing it's some kind of franchise or yeah, but they want to keep the same branding. So that means your website will look just like theirs and etc. However, I'm just going to go through a few tips that usually work to help rank websites, bring them to the top of Google so that they get more clients coming their way. So the 3 things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. So to start out, content is everything that's on your website, all the text and pictures, everything I've highlighted here in blue. So Google looks at content as they rank website, and to be optimal with Google would mean you need to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text. And by authoritative, I mean it says exactly what you do, the products, the kind of products you offer, um, who you are, where you're located, and also included and saturated with good keywords, authoritative keywords. And by keywords, I mean the phrases that people use when they're searching for Google. So let's say that you're looking for Baobab body polish in Harrisburg, PA. So if someone's looking for that in Harrisburg, they'll probably write this out in Google and search for it. This is all these that you see here, all these are known as keywords. So for this keyword, you can see that Walmart ranks the first, then Amazon, Nu Skin. All these are your competitors. So for you to rank better than them, one of the main things is content, and then citations and backlinks. If you strengthen all 3, you will rank here on the first page of Google. So back to content. Make sure you have between 1,000 to 1,500 words saturated with keywords, authoritative keywords. The other thing is pictures. Make sure your pictures are saved. You see that one picture is saved as product 5. I would save it as a keyword that I think that people are looking for. What I want to rank for. So let's say it's Bellamy, Harrisburg, PA, products, or that could be a keyword. So if you save it as that, Google will look at that. So whenever anyone is searching for that kind of product, Google knows to put you ahead of the game once your website starts ranking better. So that's it for content. The next part is citation. Now let's say someone wants to buy facial oil in Harrisburg, PA, and they type that in, or yes, let's say that. First thing you see is the Google ads. These are always hit or miss because a lot of people these days have ad blocker, so you wouldn't see this. Though if you want fast marketing, it's advisable to use Facebook ads, Google ads to get your name out there very fast. But let's come down here to what's known as the map pack. So let's say my keyword I search for is facial oils. That's what I wanted to say. So you have your Google Ads, and then here, this area here is a map pack. It contains 3 companies. Now there are 4 here because one of them is an ad, a Google ad. So these guys are paying a lot to be here. So these I would count as your competitors. Now, how do you land here? It has to do with citations. Citations are whichever directory across the internet, your name, address, and phone number are listed. So any reputable directories like Better Business Bureau, Dexnos, Yelp, LinkedIn, Facebook, even, except White Pages, Yellow Pages, superpages.com, etc. The more directories your name, address, and phone number are cited in, the higher you'll rank on the map pack. So the goal would be to beat your competitors. So to find enough citations, reputable ones, and put in your name, address, and phone number exactly as they appear in Google, and you will rank in this area. Third thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Now, backlinks have to do with this next section called the organic listing section. So if you think of the internet as a collection of web pages all linked together, a backlink would be a link on a different web page directing to yours. So directing traffic to your web page. For example, if there's a health and beauty forum in Montgomeryville, PA, and part of the website, or part of the blog that they run, they have your business listed there with your with a link to your page. That would be a strong backlink. However, you can have weak backlinks also, like let's say Pizza Hut was linking to you. You guys have nothing to do, no business in common. So having relevant backlinks helps a lot with Google. Now, I have a tool called Ahrefs. It's a popular tool, and it's used to analyze websites. I put your website in here, and I noticed that there are almost no backlinks or domains that point towards you. The only reason that you have a strong website is your domain, because Bellamy.com is a national. Here, I just put it in by itself without linking to your store. It's a national company. It has tons of backlinks, so its strength is very high. And I can tell it has the quality of the backlinks are not that bad. So that's giving power to your site here. However, I would increase the number of backlinks so that you can show up in these local searches. And by increase the number of backlinks, I mean, you'd go to your competitors like Hand and Stone, the ones here in Harrisburg, and find out their backlinks. Make sure those sites are linking to yours, and then overpower them by getting even more higher quality backlinks. That would really help rank you for any keyword search that you have saturated your website with. All right, thank you very much, Celeste. Those are the 3 things I wanted to talk about: citations, backlinks, and content. My suggestion, I'm not sure the flexibility you have to edit how your website looks like, but my suggestion would be to have different product pages and different location pages if you are in different cities. I'm not sure if you're just locally targeting people around Harrisburg. But those are the 3 things: citations, backlinks, and content. Once again, I'm Charles from your local SEO professionals. You can use these tips to share with your website people and have them implement them. I would definitely increase more text as one of the first things, so that so that Google can know that this site of yours is authoritative. Thank you very much, and have a great day.